Generative AI processes massive amounts of data at blistering speeds, but that raw power is volatile. Without strict boundaries, it is a liability. These rules of engagement provide the protocol for safe deployment. By the end of this briefing, you will have a secure, fully compliant AI workflow. This diagram shows the AI ecosystem, where corporate policy, threat management, and compliance interlock with your daily tactical deployment. Plugging client details into an unapproved chatbot converts a routine task into a major organizational data breach. Understanding how these pieces interlock is the baseline requirement. Before you type a single prompt, you must know exactly where your data is going. Step 1 is mapping the threat landscape. This map identifies the specific risks inherent to generative technology. Shadow AI represents a primary threat, occurring when employees use unapproved consumer tools that bypass enterprise security. This chart illustrates the fallout radius of an individual error. A single mistake rapidly scales upward. The outer red ring shows the final stage of compromise. Proprietary data enters the global model training pool, permanently exposing company secrets. A single unapproved prompt can lose control of that data forever, making it a permanent part of the machine. Step 2 establishes the boundaries of engagement. The safe zone covers internal, non-sensitive work, brainstorming initial ideas, drafting outlines, and summarizing public reports. The danger zone covers prohibited tasks. Never input proprietary data, use AI for employment decisions, or generate client-facing content without manual review. These case files document the fallout of a compliance failure. A manager pasted a patient schedule into a free AI tool to save time. Operating outside the security perimeter, the vendor absorbs the protected health information as plain text to train future models. Step 3 involves routing data correctly. This diagram contrasts public AI routing with the required secure pathway for enterprise data. All enterprise data must pass through a Business Associate Agreement, or BAA. This gateway ensures your inputs are isolated and protected. These compliance walls function as physical barriers, legally insulating the entire company from irreversible data leaks and external threats. Step 4 is tactical deployment. This is the exact step-by-step process for building a secure prompt from the ground up. This terminal layout shows the components of a safe prompt. Begin by establishing a clear, role-based goal. Next, apply non-sensitive inputs and strict formatting constraints. The blue warning box marks the hard limit. Never enter social security numbers, health data, or employee performance notes. Drafting the prompt is only the first half of deployment. Step 5 dictates the mandatory verification process. This investigation report identifies why AI cannot replace human judgment. It lacks the ability to evaluate nuance, motive, or the cultural communication styles required for credibility. The oversight loop is the final checkpoint. You must verify the tone, check for bias, and confirm the accuracy of every output before it is used. A well-structured prompt limits exposure, but the human oversight loop is the only way to guarantee the accuracy of your results. To bring this briefing to a close, we will conclude with the final operational checklist for all future AI tasks. This checklist summarizes the rules for engagement. First, audit your tools to eliminate shadow AI. Second, verify compliance and execute a BAA. Third, keep proprietary data out of public models. Fourth, maintain command. Treat AI as a draft engine with human oversight. Adhering to this framework secures data, allowing you to utilize AI for maximum speed and efficiency.